one of the things that you can do with sticky note is sketch in it. So to do that, you can go around onto the text tool right here and then select out a sticky note as you wish right here. So I'm just going to go around, select out this sticky note right here. Let me just go around and resize this, and this is what I have right here. So let me just close this around. And if I were to click on this, you can see that you can go around and click on switch to sketch. Once you do that, you are on the sketching mode right here. So over here, you can go to switch to text to go back to the default text area, text editing, or you can click on switch to sketch right here, and then it changes into sketch right here. And by default, the draw tool is selected, and you can go around and then draw out things according to how you like it. So let me just go around and draw out 2 to 2 right here. You can go around right here, draw freely. You can also go around onto the erase tool and erase whatever you draw right here. And you can also go around, add in a border and choose out sticky note color right here, as you can see. So you can draw out as you wish right here, and you can see that they appear in black just like this. So that is how you can access the sketch mode. And if you were to turn back to the text mode right here, you can see that the drawing is not there anymore. Only one only one is supported. So only notes or only drawings is supported right here, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and you can zoom out and you can see that this is the sticky note that you have right here. So that is how you can access the sticky note sketch mode inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.